5. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of nutrition and health. In today's video, we're going to talk about a delicious way to boost your protein intake: high-protein fruits. Yes, you heard that right. Fruits can be a fantastic source of protein. We'll discuss 6 such fruits and how to easily incorporate them into your diet. The importance of protein. Let's start by understanding the importance of protein in your diet. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting your immune system, and helping you feel full and satisfied. While we often associate protein with meat and dairy, there are plenty of plant-based sources, including fruits. Avocado, the protein powerhouse. Our first high-protein fruit is the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocado is not just a good source of healthy fats but also packs a surprising amount of protein. We'll explore its nutritional benefits and some creative ways to enjoy it. Guava, the tropical protein punch. Next up, we have guava, a tropical fruit that's not only rich in vitamin C but also boasts a commendable protein content. We'll dive into the goodness of guava and share some delightful recipes to make it a part of your diet. Jackfruit, nature's meat substitute. Jackfruit, often referred to as nature's meat substitute, is our third high-protein fruit. This versatile fruit is becoming increasingly popular among vegetarians and vegans. We'll explore its protein content and how to prepare it in savory dishes. Blackberries, protein in berries. Blackberries are our fourth protein-rich fruit. These tiny, sweet tart gems are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, and we'll discuss their protein benefits and some easy ways to enjoy them. Mulberries, a sweet surprise. Mulberries are our fifth high-protein fruit. These sweet berries are not only delicious but also offer a protein punch. We'll unravel their nutritional secrets and suggest some delightful recipes. The power of prunes. Last but not least, we'll explore the protein content in prunes. These dried plums are not only known for digestive health but also offer a surprising amount of protein. We'll discuss their benefits and how to incorporate them into your diet. Conclusion. In conclusion, high-protein fruits can be a valuable addition to your diet, whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or simply looking to diversify your protein sources. We hope you found this exploration of 6 high-protein fruits and how to incorporate them into your diet both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more about nutrition and healthy eating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Together, we can make smart and delicious choices to support our health and well-being.